Yo, what's poppin' friends? This is Ron from OptimizeFX, just giving you a quick update on the $1,000 challenge version 3. I just wanted to show you what's been happening this week. This has been actually a groundbreaking week in terms of how the EAs have gone. So the big news is that Precise, definitely no go. It's blown 3 accounts. I actually just got rid of it then, and I've just replaced it with Gold Catcher V2, which is what you can see down here. So unfortunately, IC Markets only allows you to have 20 demo accounts open at once. I've met that threshold, so I can't open a fresh account for it, but rest assured it has $952 in it. So until I can figure out how to reset like an account on my FX book from a certain date, it's going to not show correctly for now. But I might find a workaround or eventually something like that. The same with Stepping Stone as well. It wasn't on a fresh account either. So one or two options is I can get rid of the demo accounts, some of them that I'm not using, and do some fresh ones. So I might do that. I'll see if I can have a chat to IC Markets and they should be able to fix that up. But bigger news is that a lot of EAs are in a heap of drawdown right now. One of the bigger ones is MIEA 9. So it's only got 697 equity left. It is currently about $1,000 in drawdown right now. So about 60%. This was updated only a few hours ago. So this is all relatively up to date. So yeah, the biggest ones, the biggest concerns for me is Baby Shark, Money Pile. Don't worry about Gold Catcher, that's not correct, remember. So so Baby Shark and Money Pile, and also Algo Gold, it's creeping up there as well in terms of drawdowns. So this has actually been a quite exciting week, and I'm actually able to stay home today, and I'll just do a quick recording here. But yeah, just a quick update as to what's been happening. So I'll start Gold Catcher V2. One of the standouts obviously is Dragon Expert. It is trading really well still. There was a big rise on Euro USD overnight. It's handled that okay. Let's just have a quick look in here, see when it was last updated. Hopefully this is recording okay. I've had to turn off a few things in order to get this to work. So it was updated an hour ago. So as you can see, the equity is down from the last time that this was done. So yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much just the update. This is all I wanted to show you guys. Baby Shark is in a bit of a trouble. If Euro USD doesn't come down, it will probably see that account to go, which is unfortunate because it had a really good start for the last 3 weeks. Eclatant is trading really well now. It didn't have a very good start, but it's at $190, 8% drawdown. Money Pile, it is pretty much stuck in that big pound USD uptrend. That is the main drawdown here. So unfortunately, it is not making any money. It's actually it's got $874 in equity, and yeah, but that is pretty much it. That is pretty much all I wanted to show you guys and girls. But yeah, Stepping Stone's been trading quite well. I can quickly show you there. Yeah, here we go. So Stepping Stone, you can see all these trades here. This is on the 30-minute time frame, so up and down, up and down. It trades, obviously you can see here it only trades at certain times. So it's not currently ready to trade. I think it only trades the US market. But yep, that's that one there. No Sleep has been traveling really good. I'm really happy with it. You know, it's very low drawdown. It seems to handle big moves really well. It's just really good. Orion has been going well since I've changed the settings as well, so that's another good one. This is Scary As Algo 2.0, so you can see here it's good at trading one way, but it can't trade the other. So especially if the trend was going to keep moving up, which it might do with Euro, you can see say goodbye to your account. Dragon, it's currently opening some rather big lot sizes here, so 0.21 I can see there. Currently down $93. It's got 17.45 in equity, or the balance. Gold Catch has been trailing really well. It's currently at 1,361. Baby Shark, yeah, that's scary. So it was higher than this, but it's at just 566 now in drawdown. And Alcatent it's only down $72, about 190 up. And yeah, this is the money pile and the pound USD that I wanted to show you there. So that pretty much wraps up this update. I'll do another video on market close to close out the week. But thanks for watching. If you like this, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. And yes, I will see you then. Till next time. Bye bye.